Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on or turn off new friend notifications on your account on Messenger. Easy and quick. First click on this three lines here and now click settings. Now click notifications and sounds. Here you will find new friend notifications. Just click on it like this and as you see it will be turned on, and that's how to turn on new friend notifications on your accounts on Messenger. Easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.